Welcome back to ReviewMobile, your trusted source for the latest mobile reviews. Today, we're diving into the Infinix Hot 50 Pro, a budget-friendly smartphone that's creating a buzz with its impressive specs and stylish design. Let's see what this device has to offer. Design and display. The Infinix Hot 50 Pro comes with a sleek and modern design that feels premium despite its price. It features a 6.78-inch Full HD Plus display with a 120Hz refresh rate, offering smooth scrolling and an immersive viewing experience. The punch hole cutout for the front camera adds to its modern look, and the slim bezels give it a high screen-to-body ratio. Performance and software. Under the hood, the Hot 50 Pro is powered by the MediaTek Helio G99 Processor, paired with 8GB of RAM and up to 256GB of internal storage. This setup ensures smooth multitasking and decent gaming performance. It runs on XOS based on Android 13, offering a feature-rich user interface with customization options and smart tools. Camera setup. The phone features a dual rear camera setup with a 108 megapixels main sensor, which is impressive for this segment. The camera delivers detailed shots in good lighting conditions and includes AI features for scene detection. On the front, there's a 32 megapixel selfie camera, ideal for social media-ready selfies and video calls. Battery and charging. Battery life is one of the strong points of the Hot 50 Pro. It packs a 5000 mAh battery, easily lasting a full day of moderate to heavy usage. It also supports 33W fast charging, allowing you to top up the battery quickly when needed. Final verdict. The Infinix Hot 50 Pro is a solid choice in the budget category, offering a great balance of performance, display quality, and camera capabilities. It's ideal for students, casual gamers, and anyone looking for a stylish and reliable daily driver without breaking the bank. Outro. Subscribe for more. That's all for today's review. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to ReviewMobile for more honest and detailed smartphone reviews. See you in the next one. Let me know if you'd like a Hindi version or voiceover style.